Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen that we did for a Range Rover Evoque. As you can see, this is the factory screen of the car with the panel. So technically we removed the panel, and that's the factory screen. And there is a brain behind the screen. We took it off and we attach it to our screen. So basically all the factory features are retained except the screen. And this is the screen that we add to the car. It's 10.25 inch and it's a blue screen, anti-glare. It's a special screen. And as you can see, everything is blended in to the dash, and that's how it used to look. And all these buttons are gone. So instead of those buttons, we have some other functions on the same screen. So I just go ahead and turn on the car. So same as before, the logo of the car is gonna go on. And then it shows the Android. So here right now I'm connecting my USB dongle, all-in-one USB dongle for iPhone, Apple CarPlay, and also Android Auto. And also here I connected my USB multimedia. So as you can see, when I go to media, it's gonna go to my USB. If I have any videos on that USB, it's gonna show. And the sound comes out through the speakers of the car.
You just started a war. Stay down. Final warning. I could do this all day.
And by touching the screen, I can go back to the main menu. So this is the aftermarket menu. Here we have the car logo. By clicking on that, goes to Range Rover factory menu. So it retains all the factory features, same as such as like satellite radio. And when you want to go to the aftermarket mode, and when you want to have sound, you go to source and you choose auxiliary. Then you can go to the auxiliary. By clicking on home button, it goes to the menu, aftermarket menu. And here, that's the Android option. So you can see all the apps. YouTube is there, Google Maps is there. And also on the next page, we have Waze and Spotify. And that's for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have driving computer that it shows the RPM and all the information of the car, and also if the door of the car is open, it shows on the right hand side too. So it shows some features. Also you get another Bluetooth function, which is right here on top of the Bluetooth function that you have. The other cool part about this unit, we have one home button that it's this small tiny circle that it's kind of look like Apple home button. So by clicking on that, this menu pops out that it lets you to do volume up, volume down, and back and home. So that's easy access to the main menu. Factory backup camera still works. If you want to add any other camera, you can add if your car doesn't come with camera. And by going to park, it goes back to the main menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you our Android Auto right now. Right now Samsung Note 8 is connected. As you can see, you can control the phone from the screen. You can make calls. Cars are all there, and you can listen to the music if you want to listen to any music, and you can go back. That's the navigation. And also we add one microphone for Google Part 2, so I can click on Google Voice. Go to nearest McDonald's.
Navigating to McDonald's.
So you can find the nearest locations that you want from your phone. Right now I connect my iPhone through our USB dongle. So basically I can control my iPhone. I can go to the maps. Also I can go to my calls. I can go to my voicemail. I can go to keypad to make a call. So that's for Apple CarPlay. So our USB dongle can support both phones without any problem. And by clicking on that small circle, I can go back to the main menu. Also, the offline maps are installed. So basically you don't need any data to use our offline maps. Right now we are indoor, we're not gonna have reception, but anyways, that's the offline maps. And you can go back to the main menu, and there is some settings here. We can add DVR to the same unit too, and that's basically pretty much all about this unit. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.